Hello and welcome, guys. In this video, I'll be showing you on converting a Nexus 9300 series switch to FEX, and then from FEX back to NxOS switch. And I'll also show you how to convert an ACI switch to FEX mode. So let's start. In this case, I have a 93180YC FX3 switch, and I'm in ACI right now. The version is 15.3. And if I want to boot this in FEX, you will see that it doesn't take this command because it's on version 15.3, uh, which is not FEX available, or you cannot convert to FEX on this version. We have to have 6.02 or above. Let's check my boot flash, and I see that I have 15.3. In this first section, I'll actually convert this to NxOS mode. And to do that, I need to clean up the running config. And in ACI, we do that by running the setup clean -config command. It's going to clean up all the previous fabric config on it. We'll do a reload after that. And once I do a reload, I have to go in loader prompt. And we do that by doing Control-C. So when you see this Cisco module BIOS version come up on your screen, you have to press Control-C to go in the loader prompt. Okay, we're in the loader prompt, and I'll check my IP. There are limited commands available in loader prompt. I do the dir first to see what I have in the boot flash. Looks like I only have the ACI version. I want to download, excuse me, I want to download the NxOS. So I need to set up my management interface on the same network that can access the tftp server. So I set up the IP address, and I'll also set up the gateway. So it's my IP and it's my gateway. Let me check my tftp server information. Okay, this is the code that I need, 10.6.1, and this is my tftp server. So we'll use the boot tftp command to download the image. And we see the progress showing up on the tftp server. I see connection to my tftp server from the switch. And this will initially first verify the image and then download after that. So I'm actually fast forwarding the video. Okay, so when you see that image valid message, the switch will confirm that it can run this image, and it will then start downloading. It needs to reinitialize the interface to connect back to the tftp server. You will see this message sleeping for 120 seconds. Again, fast forwarding this video, so I don't have to show you all the wait. And when you see this message saving image for image-sync, it means it's now downloading, and you should see progress on your tftp server. Okay, I'm also actually downloading. You can see I have two downloads in progress. I'm actually doing a couple of downloads and re-imaging. So you see that the switch downloaded the image and is now booting up in NOx mode. I aborted the POAP, and also I'm just going to use the standard password. This is only for demo purpose. That's why I don't need the secure password. I'll log into the switch. I'll do show version here to see, just to make sure it's running the version 10.61. That's NxOS mode. And you can see that it downloaded from the tftp, which means the boot statement is not set on the switch. Just to verify the boot flash, I see both the ACI image and also the NxOS image. Now, since we want to convert this in FEX mode, I need to remove the IP address because that's not needed. So before I convert to FEX mode, let me remove the IP from the management interface. Okay, and then after that, I'll do the boot NxOS command. And very important that I do the copy run start after that. Okay, that command is set, and we'll now do the boot FEX command. And make sure we don't do copy run start. It's going to verify the image, and we will say reload at this point. Okay, so this is again fast forwarding, and I'm logging into the FEX now, and you can see that it came up in FEX mode. Let me verify the boot flash and also the version. You can see that it's running 10.6 in FEX mode. Okay, so that was pretty simple on how to convert from NxOS to FEX mode. Okay, let's say that we want to go back to Nexus switch mode again, and how to do that is pretty simple. We'll make sure that we have the Nexus image in the boot flash, and then we'll go in the config T, and we will do boot NexusOS boot flash and the image name. And that's it. And we will say yes to booting to NexusOS image. Image verification successful. And we'll do a reload again here. And that will convert back to switch mode. Okay, so now I'm in a ACI switch, and let's see how to convert an ACI switch to FEX. In this case, you saw that I have version 6.0.9F. And to convert that in boot or in a FEX mode, you simply have to do the boot FEX command. It's going to process in the background. Fast forwarding again. Once that is done, you will make sure, before we do that, let's make sure we have the fex5.bin file in the boot flash. Yeah, we see that there. And now we can do a reload and that will convert the ACI switch to FEX mode. Just to make sure, you have to have 6.02 or above to convert an ACI switch in a FEX mode. We did a reboot and we'll verify that it is in ACI FEX mode once it comes up. Okay, we log in and you see it's in FEX now. And you can see that the system image is 16.09F, which is the version that will let you boot in FEX mode. So this was a small demo on how to convert an ACI leaf to NxOS switch to FEX and then back to NxOS switch again. And also I showed you on how to convert a leaf switch to FEX mode. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something. Please do comment and subscribe. Thank you.